gestures and expressions in French. Okay, I hope you're ready because we're starting right now. The screen will be divided into the first part here will include the gesture. So my friend Laurent has been doing the gesture for us. And then the expressions that normally comes with these gesture will be here. Okay, so the first one is il fait soif un, or il fait soif non. In that case, well, you just want to say that you would like to drink something, because whether it's hot or then you've been working a lot or you're just thirsty, so you would like to drink something. Let's have a look at Laurent, and that's it. This is the gesture that normally you do if you want to say that you would like to drink something. The other one is quite clear. Oh mon Dieu, direct translation. Oh my God. Let's have a look. Surprised or shocked. You will put your hands like Laurent did. Let's have a look one more time. Oh mon Dieu. Okay. The next one. Je ne veux pas voir ça. I don't want to see that. So, look. Oh non, je ne veux pas voir ça. I don't want to see that. One more time. Oh non, je ne veux pas voir ça. J'ai une idée. I have an idea. Quite international gesture. Look. And that's it. Everything in the hand. The little finger. Look one more time. Ah, j'ai une idée. Okay, you want to say that you found maybe the answer to something, had a problem to solve. Ça y est, this is it. J'ai trouvé. I found. One more time. Ça y est, j'ai trouvé. Il a des œillères. Il a des œillères. You would like to, well, say that someone is not really open-minded. Okay, so in that case it's il. It could be elle, of course. Let's have a look at Laurent. Il a des œillères. Not open-minded at all. Voilà. The next one, ça va pas la tête. Well, technically you just want to say that, are you crazy or what? Look. All right. One more time. So, direct translation, are you crazy or what? Okay, next one. Well, it's just in the same group. So, it's just you want to say that, well, the person that you are talking about is crazy. Look. That's it. Same thing. You want to say that, well, it's not turning around in here. Okay, so ça tourne pas rond. So it's exactly the same thing. The person that you're talking about is maybe a bit crazy. Okay. Avec moi, ça ne rigole pas. So you want to say that you are really strict. You won't laugh. You won't laugh with me. Look. One more time. With me, you won't laugh. Okay. The next one. Il est vraiment têtu. Têtu is stubborn. Really, vraiment. Okay, so if someone is really stubborn, look. That's it. And that's normally the gesture that you will make to express this idea. Look one more time. Il est vraiment têtu. Okay. The next one. Il a pris la grosse tête. He took the big head, if you want to make a translation, direct translation. Well, someone thinks that he is or she is more important than he or she is really. Okay, maybe he or she has been doing something and then it was popular in a way, but then he started to think that it was really, really important. Il a pris la grosse tête. One more time. Voilà, voilà. Okay, the next one. Ça va pas être facile. It won't be easy. Look. Okay, everything in the head. Let's have a look one more time. It won't be easy. Look. Ouh, ça va pas être facile. Okay? The other one, laissez-moi réfléchir. So let me think. Laissez-moi réfléchir. Look how Laurent is doing that. So one more time, laissez-moi réfléchir. Okay? And then, qu'est-ce que tu racontes? What are you talking about? Qu'est-ce que tu racontes? Qu'est-ce que tu racontes? So basically you want to express your doubts regarding the person, what the person is just saying. Qu'est-ce que tu racontes? What are you talking about?